Hello, ako si Hannah Lapesvito. I am 17 years old and today I will be sharing a few facts about me so that you can get to know me more. My hobbies are singing, dancing. I also like playing mobile games. Mahilig din ako mag-drawing. Paborito kong game as of now has been Genshin Impact for 3 years straight. Grabe. And ako din ang nahilig lumaro ng Roblox. Mahilig ako maglaro ng horror games doon kasi masaya, ang sarap ng thrill and very entertaining kasi pag may kasama kang mga kaibigan para maglaro ng mga nakakatakot na games, diba? So, most of the days, I spend just reading mangas, shoujo mangas. Mahilig ako sa shoujo. And I dance often. I like to expand my skills in dancing kasi it is fun. Ang sarap ng feeling pag, gumagalaw talaga yung katawan mo. Paborito kong single